What is happening? I have a problem with my transmission channel. Okay, nice. I think that now it's working. Okay, yeah. Well, in essential, this is the problem. I will share again here, and this is the problem. And we need to only add the scores and always have the key KTH largest or highest score in this. Well, for this problem, I think that is very clear that we need to use uh, the pretty queue, in this case with min heap, or sort the values all the time. But I think that is more, it's less expensive only have the pretty queue. But well, for this, my approach is that exactly this: have a pretty queue and initialize this pretty queue with this element, and always try to have this size in the pretty queue. But well, let me check. Add any score, but it's true return the element representing the key th largest element. It's only have the pretty queue all the time should be have the size similar like k, yeah. Because if the pretty queue use the natural order or the base order that is minimum to maximum, basically it remove the first, yeah, until reach this point. But yeah, it's in essential this. It's a simple problem. Priority queue. It's an integer. Priority. No. Min heap. Yeah, this is only for declare here and initialize. Initialize here. Min heap it's equal new priority queue in the natural order, and next to it's a simple for that integer n nums. Well, I had the idea to apply here the remove the element that is not part of the answer, but that makes sense because in this point this operation is applied. Yeah, here I can only keep in nums min heap dot add, in this case n, and it's all. And for this I think that is only apply a for, no, while, yeah, while min heap dot size is greater than k, then min heap dot remove but previously is min heap dot add, adding the new value, and next to is apply this, removing, and only return min heap dot pick. Yeah. What? In this case is int max. Even I think that I can initialize this with this size. Let me check. Set size. Well, I will complete first in this way. Max it's equal K, and here is max. Min heap, pretty Q. Sorry, my typos. Okay, yeah, but let me try to check here. Init with size. I know that I can set size. No, I think. Well, let me solution accepted solution here. Min heap Java. Yeah, it's only that. It's very simple. Okay, now this in 1 moment. Okay, that. What is the next? The solution. Yeah, editorial. Maintain sorted list. Heap. Yeah, it's exactly the solution. But here, why don't use the while? Let me check the constraints. Maybe I don't see nums. No, it's graded at K. +1. Yeah, okay. This doesn't make sense. It's only with a simple if works. N plus N logarithm K. Okay, nice. Now I will check another problem that I had here. Okay, this is the other problem. Okay. Now, is the problem 682 top K frequency words. Given an array of strings words, any integer K, return the K most frequent strings. Return the answer sorted by the frequency from the highest to lowest. Okay. Sorted words with the same frequency by their lexicographical order. Okay. Return answer sorted by the frequency from the highest to sort. Return answer sorted by the frequency. Sort the words with the same frequency by lexicographical order. I don't understand this. In this part, it said that or is saying that return the answer sorted by the frequency. Yeah, at the beginning the highest and the last is the lowest. Sort the words with the same frequency by their lexicographical order. What means this? If I have the frequency like this, the lexicographical order over this frequency is like this. For example, I love leetcode, I love coding. K is 2. In this case is I and love are the two most frequency words. Note that I come before love. Okay, is where no. Let me check the second example. The day is sunny. The sunny is day is sunny and day. Day is sunny and day are the four most frequency words with the number of occurrences being 4, 3, 2, and 1 respectively. But I still don't understand this. I know what is lexicographical order, but it's a little tricky. Let me check the discussion. Most important thing in there. No. Yeah, I have done with the sort. No. Yeah, because I can solve, for example, the, and they appear 4 times. For the reason appear first. I think that where I equal, I need to apply the sort over the words. Well, for this, come on. What? Okay. Today my internet connection is a little slow. Well, it's here. Okay, this is the problem. I love leetcode. Okay, the first is that have a map where I sort this where I am mapping these words. I appear 1 time, love appear 1 time, leetcode appear 1 time, I appear 1 time, another time, encoding 1 time. Yeah, in this case the more frequency are this. The first that is I can Yeah, I can sort this with a priority queue for have the I and love at the beginning. Uh-huh. Me heap with the max heap. Yeah, first the top and the last is the, well, and the front the highest and in the back the lowest value or the lowest frequency. In this case, using this, I have the I and I have the love. Uh-huh. And now this I need to sort, put in a list and sorting using the, no, but it's not this, because here the day is sunny, mm, yeah, for example, this that appeared two times, both two times, I need to sort for define which is first, if I or love. Mm. Okay, another solution is that mapping this and next to is, for example, I appear two times, and the word that appear here is I. Got it. Now the next that is love. Love have this size that is 2. Is this is love. Now the next that is leetcode appear one time, leetcode. And coding appear one time. Yeah, and in this way now I can sort these elements by the frequency. In this case, for these numbers, yeah, and having these elements sorted, in this case because have the same value, sorted I love, and for example if k is equal 3, the next I need to get this and only and sort and only get the rest of the values. Yeah, in this case that is 1, and you imagine that is coding. Yeah. But I think that should be exist one way to do it without using two maps. I think that is too much. Now, for example, if I sort the elements here, I love coding, leetcode. Do you imagine that is right? And the first that is we had this. I can save. No. No, I think that the first is create the map and mapping the frequency of the every word, and next to is transversal this map, and basically the value now is the key, and the key now is the value, the positive. Yeah. And next to is sort this value using the key. But how can I sort this with the key? I know how. Yeah, and okay, yeah, I got it. I will follow this strategy. The first that is create a hash map The first is string and integer. Map frequency, it's equal new hash map. This is basically for mapping the frequency of every word. Yeah. String w words and no, map frequency is this dot I don't know why always I confuse the functions. It's add or put. Put. This case is word map frequency get or default. Yeah, in this case is w, the default is 0 and is +1. Okay, now I have the mapping of this word. Now the next that is do in the positive way. In this case, the first is an integer, that is the frequency, and here is a list with the words. But in this case, it's a simple list with the string map, value map in this case. Yeah, now for this is for map.entry set entry map frequency and for each map Java entry set entry set. Here is only entry, right? And here in essential is map.put. In this case is entry dot get value, and now here is first validate that if this exists. Map dot contains contains the value, but in negative. Yeah, and in the case that doesn't exist, map.put well, again this value and new array list. Yeah, and here is only map dot get entry value dot add, and here is entry dot key. Yeah, now it's in the positive way. Now the key is the value and the value is the key. It's basically change the map. Now having this, I need to apply, or I need to create a pretty queue. Yeah, in this case this pretty queue is integer because it's for the frequency, but is max heap. It's equal new priority queue. Yeah, it's for have the maximum values on the front. And sorry. Okay, now so I have this. The pretty Q. Here is pretty Q. Okay. Now, but this I will initialize. No, I can initialize here because I have the map here in this point, and use the lambda. The lambda in this case is a b and here is we are comparing is a less b. No. In this case, I think that priori Q must hit comparator. No, I don't want this. Yeah, sure, it's a positive. Yeah, in this case it's only integer compare. Integer dot compare, but here instead compare the A with B is B with A because it's in the positive way. And okay. Now the next step is a simple for where I transversal again a map, but in this case it's only the even I think that is integer int key frequency, come on, frequency map is only map dot get keys. Key set. Yeah, and here is max heap dot add frequency and is sort this element. Yeah, and next to have sorted the element the frequency. Okay, now I have sorted the elements. I think that it's not necessary this max heap, because on the final I can only sort the elements. Yeah, in this case the frequencies, and with this I can know that. Yeah, I think that it's not necessary the max heap. I can comment and only here is map dot get entry set, entry key, entry set. Get keys map Java. Key set. set, and but I'm not sure what is the structure of the key set. To type. Sort key set. I think that is this. Is create a list, and next to is sort the list with collection. Yeah, and now I have the, here should be integer, in this case collection sort reverse order. Reverse order, collection reverse order. And now I have the highest at the beginning and the lowest at the final. Yeah. And now what is the next? Now the next step is to find the kth element. For this, the first is get the list. Yeah, for no, it's with a while. While I need to return a list with the elements. Result it's equal new array list. Yeah, and here is meanwhile list, no, result dot size it's minor dot k. Meanwhile this is true. I need to apply this operation, and the operation is that add the new elements. In this case is the first is list string words. Let me check it. Words, no, I can use words. WL word list it's equal map dot get, in this case get the frequency of the keys dot get sorry, I was thinking Android. Remove, well, it's remove the 0 all the time. Remove the 0. Yeah, in this case this get these words, and I think that I can collection dot sort, yeah, for sort lexicographically, and put in the result dot size, no, result, and here is all WL, in, yeah, for example, if I add more elements it's only remove, while result it's greater than k, I only need to remove the final result dot remove the last element. What is the last element? Result dot size less 1. Come and here is return result. Ah, it's default. What else? Why? Map frequency. Ah, sure, this is integer. And this is a string. Contains key. Entry. What? I'm not sure if it's leetcode have problems or it's my keyword. Well, here is get key. And now here is incompatible types for cannot convert to list string. Map.get map have as a value a list. Sort list. No, it's not collection, it's erase. It's not applicable. Method sort array list. With collection, with arrays, what is the collection sort? Incompatible types can be converted to list. Sure. Yeah, these don't return anything. Pick. I need to copy this. Here is remove. Okay, now integer key it's equal key remove, and I use key here and here. First is sort and next to is add in the elements, or well, yeah, it's the same. Okay, it's not the best performance, but well, this is the first solution. I can improve it or use another approach. Solution using sort. Now we go in. Okay, well, I think that it's enough for this session. Thanks for following this transmission, and I hope see you in the next. Bye bye.